Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to take a look at this left section and enter the settings which are in the left lower corner. And now let's find the apps and services. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on apps and pick this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got a Reset App Preferences option, so let's tap on it. And here your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.